like ranger boots? Cause you just earned yourself a pair. Bring those herb stones over whenever you got a second.
Will do. Hey, Mort.
Hot dog! Look at all those herb stones. These ranger boots are all yours. Now, Trudy here's got a big appetite. So, if you find the rest of the Zerb stones, I'll give you this Rhino spy bot, too. Oh, what's that you say there, Trudy? You want to help Ribbit find them? Well, you heard her. Just hop on her back when you're ready to go after them.
Woo! With Trudy's help, I'll be able to scope out where the rest of the Zerb stones are.
Now that Trudy's got her energy back, I know she'll be pleased as punch to help you find the rest of those Zerb stones.
That's all there is to find here. Except the exit.
I do not believe I have thanked Emperor Nefarious.
We knew he would come! Guard your future, friend! Well, that was
Regret that, fishy.
The Emperor's gotta be heading for the archives. We have to get there first.
He is overusing the Dimensionator. The boundaries between the universes are coming undone.
So now we've got Bone Goons?
Bone Goons. Of course we do.
Is it just me? Or are these guys creepy?
Incredibly disturbing.
Hey guys, I think the dead are rising down here.
I'm sorry, what?
Hurry, Ratchet. We must get to the archives.
We've got it covered. Don't worry about it. Bye. That rift will take us inside. Come on. Oh no. Rivet, the dimensional map's gone. The Emperor must have gotten here first.
We're coming up on his flagship. We'll get it back. Are Gary and the monks safe?
We'll find them. Good luck up there.
Based on the structural norms of the Emperor's ships, we should find high-value assets on the upper level. Let's hope the map's up there.
the Lombax! How'd you get here?
Your security's terrible.
Flagship, progress report.
Oh, Your Greatness! Apologies. The army of undead has hampered our progress.
I warned you overusing that Dimensionator would cause problems.
Oh. Problems? Never. This is a flourish to mark the occasion.
We're here for the flagship tour. We don't need a ticket, right?
We must scour the remaining archives. Think of the treasures within. Weapons of unimaginable power. Lost episodes of Lance and Janice.
Oh, those portals are useless. The map is all we need. The rest can burn.
Wait, does that mean he has the map already, or... Ratchet, are you seeing anything from Quantum's helmet?
Nothing useful.
He has to be here. We just need to keep moving.
You made a big mistake boarding this ship!
I was just gonna take it for a quick joyride.
Never! For the Emperor!
Emperor Nefarious. I've been waiting for this. Wait! Huh?
Oh, it's you! I hoped you'd find me. Oh, sorry, coming back to one's body mid-meditation. Oh, that's smarts.
What are you doing here?
The Emperor captured me after he discovered I'd hidden the dimensional map in an anomaly.
So he doesn't have it yet.
No, but he's opening rifts willy-nilly to get to it. It's only a matter of time before he's successful.
Ratchet!
Good news and bad news. Bad news, the Emperor's not here. Good news, we're with Gary. He says the map's hidden inside a dimensional anomaly.
In the catacombs, you can get down there by activating the excavation towers.
You can activate them via nearby pressure locks. When a tower's beacon switches from red to green, it is working.
One of the pressure plates.
I think it's turning on. Let's find another. Oh, hey! Our creepy undead friends are back.
I really do not like the clicking sounds they make.
Getting off the ship. Let's go, Gary.
Oh, yes. Good idea.
Meet you guys in the catacombs.
Oh, if I had nightmares, bone goons would make a regular appearance.
Another turned on! Good thing Nefarious doesn't have a map to help him find the map.
Only one remaining.
I thought you said this was the way out. It appears to be the lower engine room. The layout of the ship is odd. Would it have killed Nefarious to hang a big neon exit sign?
Here we come. Never thought I'd say that.
You didn't take a do no violence vow, did you, Gary?
Unfortunately.
That is all right. We will defend you.
Guess we have to go down, huh?
I am ready when you are.
All right, let's get down into the catacombs. Whoa. Is that the anomaly?
It is. This place is
Huge.
If you can get us there, I will be able to get inside and find that map.
Gary, did we take a wrong turn? We're in a giant tube that smells like the underbelly of a snagglebeast.
The aqueducts! There should be a trail of goo that leads to the catacombs. It's a byproduct of... it's not important.
Go! Right.
We are getting closer.
Come on, almost there. Come on, almost there. Excuse us.
Just drive through them, Ratchet.
Come on, almost there.
Just drive through them, Ratchet. We made it.
Hey, it's the monks!
We found the rift to their dimension and came to seal it. If you hold them all,
We're on it!
Holy.
You said it, pal! We gotta keep them away from the monks!
If it means we will never have to see a bone goon again, I am happy to assist.
You're right. The clicking is super creepy.
It has completely ruined percussion instruments for me. I do not like bone creatures.
Yeah, nope. Not a fan. Can't let the bone goons stop the monks! Okay, back to being undead.
the rift is closed. Thank you, wayfarers.
We must proceed to the anomaly.
Gotta go. Stay safe, guys.
Ratchet, Clank, we're planet side. Find the map yet?
I will retrieve the map as quickly as I can.
You got this, Bolts. We'll meet you down there.
We did not see the Emperor on our way out. I am afraid he is already underground.
Oh no.